Business English Study. IKEA Advanced Level.
Ingvar Kamprad was born on a farm in 1926 in Sweden. At the age of 17, he founded the shop IKEA. Today, IKEA is known around the world for its innovative and stylish furnishings. Almost all IKEA products are designed for flat packaging, which reduces shipping costs, minimizes transport damage, increases store inventory capacity. The downside of flat pack is that the customers have to assemble the furniture themselves, but Kamprad does not see this as a negative. He believes that the company exists to improve people's homes and to improve the people as well.
One of the most interesting things about IKEA's design strategy is that the company starts with a price that consumers will pay, then it figures out a way to produce it. Business English Study.